Hello and welcome. This is Lo. Today we're doing deep fried pork chop and corn on a bun. Let's roll. My oil getting hot here and my steamer for the corn. Let's drop these pork chops. I'm doing them one at a time, so I just got a small pan. The corn is on. It's not going to take that long to cook these pork chops because they very, very thin. I have my seasoned flour here. Let's drop. And we're going to cover it up. Add our chops. Here's the pork chop. Doing this thing. Turn it up a bit. Corn steaming. Turn it up a bit. And I'll be back. Forgot to introduce you to my seasoning. You can see them all around right here. Duke's mayonnaise and the tomato we're going to use on these just plain ordinary buns. Quick and simple, easy recipe. Yeah, first chop coming out looking scrumptious. Boost it up a bit. Okay, so I have buttered the corn with country crop. Put it on the top of the corn so it can just melt on down. Like that. I put 2 pieces of pork chop in here this time. So they're so thin and they'll cook just as good. Yep. Turn it up a little bit and I'll be back. We're going to put some seasoning on that pork chop and continue cooking the rest. It's 2 left in the pan to cook and we'll be done. I'm going to sprinkle some complete on it. And a little sea salt. For now. Now I've turned the corn off. That's how it's looking. Well, I turned it on low. And we're going to continue to cook our chops. And we'll be done. Bump it up. And I'll be back. How does that look? Butter steamed corn, lettuce and tomato, deep fried, seasoned pork chop on a bun. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bon appetit.